Hi, this video helps us to understand what an alarm policy is and its significance in Helix Operations Management. This video will walk us through various workflows, such as how to create, edit, and delete a policy. It will also demonstrate how to define complex monitoring conditions that monitor and manage the health of your infrastructure environment. The alarm policy generates alarm events when a specified monitoring attribute violates the threshold conditions. These alarm events help users to take timely action to resolve the error conditions. Only tenant administrators can create, edit, and delete alarm policies, and they can be used to monitor the attributes for the out-of-the-box monitoring solutions. We can apply these policies to multiple monitor types on multiple patrol agents. An alarm condition has details such as monitoring solution attributes, threshold values, alarm severity, and conditions to close these alarms. Now, let us see how to create and edit an alarm policy. To create a policy, log into the BMC Helix Operations Management console. Go to Configuration, select Alarm Policies. Click Create. On the Create Alarm Policy page, enter a name. Use a name that reflects its functionality, so that it is easier to search for it. Enter an optional description. Next, define the alarm generation conditions. In this example, let us select Linux monitoring solution and CPU utilization to monitor. Optionally, to select a metric, type the name in the search box. A list of matching metric names and the associated monitoring solutions are displayed. Select the required metric from the list. Next, select instances to monitor. Let us select all instances. Specify the threshold values. In this example, let us define an absolute threshold value. The condition we defined here will generate a major alarm if the CPU utilization is above 75% for 15 minutes. The condition will close the major alarm if the CPU utilization is below 75% for 15 minutes. Save the policy. The policy we created can be seen on the Configuration, Alarm Policies page. Now, let us see how to edit an alarm policy. On the Configuration, Alarm Policies page, select the policy, and click Edit. Edit the values, as required. In this example, let us edit the threshold condition. You can modify all the details except the policy name. Now, let us see some alarm generation condition examples that are used in real-time scenarios. The first example demonstrates how to define a threshold condition for multiple instances. The condition we defined here will generate a major alarm if the CPU utilization is above 75% for 15 minutes on the computers whose host names begin with CLM Austin. The second example defines threshold conditions for monitoring attributes of multiple monitoring solutions in the same alarm generation policy. In this example, the first part defines a threshold condition to monitor the processor idle time attribute for the Microsoft Windows Server's monitoring solution. The second part defines a threshold condition to monitor the network bandwidth utilization attribute for the Linux monitoring solution. The third example defines multiple threshold conditions for a single metric in the same alarm generation policy. In this scenario, when the CPU utilization of a system crosses 70% for a period of 15 minutes, a minor alarm is generated. When the CPU utilization of the same system crosses 85%, the earlier alarm severity changes from minor to major. If the CPU utilization returns to 70%, the alarm severity changes from major to minor. Now, let us see how to delete an alarm policy. On the Configuration, Alarm Policies page, select one or more policies, and click Delete. Now, you may be wondering, what happens to an open alarm when you delete the policy? In the policy post-trigger actions, if you have specified that the alarm must not be closed, the alarm remains open until it is closed manually. However, if you delete the policy, or the patrol agent, associated with such an alarm, the alarm is automatically closed. Congratulations! You have learned about alarm policies and how to use them in BMC Helix Operations Management. To view the BMC Helix Operations Management documentation, see docs.bmc.com/docs/Helix Operations Management.